Hi, welcome back. In my last video, I showed you how to make flowers from pistachio shells. Today, I am going to show you how to spray paint the flowers. Let's go out and start painting the flowers. Hold the can upright, shake the can well. Now start spraying on the flower. Cover the entire area. Turn around. Spray again. Don't leave any shell showing. Cover the entire. That's it. Ready. Let's paint the leaves now. So take green color, then take some yellow color. That's for the highlights we use for yellow color there. Take any flat brush, or I took filbert for the painting. Start painting the shell with green color. Cover the entire area. So you can paint the shells. 6 of them you can paint and keep it aside. Each stem has 6 leaves, so you can keep on painting green. Wipe your brush, then take yellow color. We are going to do the highlights, or you can add some yellow color on the tip of the shell there, like that. Add yellow only to the tip of the shell. Continue painting all the shells with yellow. Now take a canvas board and paint that with the black acrylic paint. Now take some air dry clay, make thin strings, and please refer to the main picture and arrange them accordingly. Glue the air dry clay, then paint it with the green color. Then arrange your flowers and spray varnish it. Once you are done, please varnish everything. Sign your art. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye.